Home remedies for psoriasis. Psoriasis is a chronic autoimmune condition that causes the rapid buildup of skin cells. This buildup of cells causes scaling on the skin surface. Inflammation and redness around the scales is fairly common. Typical psoriatic scales are whitish silver and develop in thick red patches. Sometimes these patches will crack and bleed. In people with psoriasis, this production process may occur in just a few days. Salt baths. A warm bath can be soothing to the skin, especially for people with psoriasis. You can try adding Epsom salt, mineral oil, colloidal oatmeal, or olive oil to help with itching and irritation. Bathing with Dead Sea salts in particular has shown a beneficial effects of treating psoriasis. The Dead Sea contains a wealth of minerals and is much saltier than the ocean. Aloe vera. Creams made from extract of the aloe vera plant can be applied to the skin to help reduce redness, scaling, itching, and inflammation. The results of clinical studies testing whether aloe vera creams help with psoriasis have shown mixed results. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are known to help decrease inflammation in the body. This can be beneficial for psoriasis symptoms. Inflammation is what causes the itchy, red flakes. Omega-3s can be found in a variety of foods like flaxseed oil, nuts, seeds, soy, fatty fish. Capsicum. Capsicum is a component of red peppers and it has demonstrated the ability to fight inflammation. Even though the following examples of experimental research are relatively old, these are the most recent studies in this area. Both show that capsicum can improve psoriasis symptoms. Curcumin. Curcumin is the active ingredient in the spice turmeric. It has lessens inflammation in the body and it may also reduce psoriatic activity. Researchers stated that there is lots of evidence to support the therapeutic effect of curcumin in treating psoriasis.